Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Today I will be reviewing a wig by Bobbie called Zala. It's a dreadlock wig. It comes with a bun at the top. It's already pre-styled, okay? With a 4x4 part, and it has beautiful little curls at the end of it, like goddess locks, okay? So the cap construction, it has 2 combs in the front. It has 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Okay, and it also comes with the band to help secure it a little bit better. And like I said, it has like a 4x4 closure in the front with lace from ear to ear. Okay, the lace on this looks really nice. It looks like it will blend pretty well, and the curls are gorgeous at the end. This is a very beautiful wig, and I've been looking at this wig for a long time. Okay, this is the 360, the side. All right, here is the back. And I also added a little hair jewels to it also to make it just pop this a little bit more. Very beautiful. All right. And here is the hair all back to the front. So I am really liking this dreadlock wig. This is actually the first time I reviewed a dreadlock lace front wig, and I'm really pleased with it. It's very beautiful, and it's nice and full, and yet it's very lightweight. In the back, it does have that gappage like all the rest of those type of units that have, so it definitely do. Also, the color is a 1B burgundy. I failed to mention that. But, anywho, I definitely am feeling this wig and definitely had to crown myself for sure. So, that pretty much wraps it up for this review. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.